Hello everyone, myself Jamika Patel. I'm working as a lecturer in Metro College of Health Science and Research, and today here I'm presenting my study, which is a descriptive study. In that I have assessed the level of knowledge regarding how to handle aggressive person among the family members in the area of Noida. So let's start with the slides. Introduction. Mental illness has become more common than many other diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, or diabetes. Aggressive behavior of a person in homes is an ongoing and important issue for family members who stays in direct contact with aggressive person. The risk of family members experiencing aggression from aggressive person is very high, with prevalence rate averaging 60 to 80%. So the family members are the one who has to face aggressive behavior of person at initial stage while they are staying at home. So family members are thus required to have the necessary knowledge and skills to manage mentally ill aggressive person without being hurt in the process. In order to do this, family members need to be educated and trained in understanding mental illness and how they impact on person's behavior. So my need of the study, according to the Bangalore Mirror newspaper, study conducted in Imhans, 8% of the Indian youth is angry today. So the graph of youth involved in violence has been consistently moving upward. To study aggression level amongst youth generation in India, an Imhans expert team conducted a 2-year survey in 5 Indian cities. The verdict is shocking. 8 out of 10 youth in the 15 to 26 years age group are angry. So, being the researcher, I realized that it is important to know what is the level of knowledge regarding how they are handling aggressive person among the family members, how family members are going to handle if a person is showing aggression, right? So I have selected this study. My problem statement: a descriptive study to assess the level of knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among the family members at selected community area in Noida. Objectives were to assess the knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among the family members and to find out the association between the level of knowledge with their selected demographic variables. Research methodology: I have used quantitative research approach with non-experimental descriptive survey design. Setting of the study were Noida. Population, family members. Sample, I have selected 120 people. Those who are above 22 years. Sampling technique is non-probability convenience sampling technique I have used in my study. Inclusion criteria: family members, those who are residing in the Noida. Family members who can communicate in English and Hindi. Family members, those who are willing, those who are in the age of 22 and above. Exclusion criteria: family members who are willing to participate in the study. Description of the tool: I have used 2 parts. Part 1, demographic data, and second part I have used structured questionnaire to assess the knowledge. Plan for data analysis. There are 4 sections in my study. First one is findings related to frequency and percentage distribution of demographic variables of family members. Section 2, description of assess the level of knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among family members in frequency and percentage. Section 3, knowledge score, the level of knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among family members. And section 4, findings related to the association of knowledge score with the selected demographic variables. So in section 1, in the family members, 40% were in the age group of 31 to 40 years. 53% were female in the gender and 50% were having post-graduation in their education and above, 46% were having private job, 46% were having monthly income between 20,000 to 30,000, 60% were having 2 children, and 66 were staying in the nuclear family. 40% were staying in urban area, and 66% married people are there, and 46% Muslim community. So here in description of assess the level of knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among family members in frequency and percentage. So the knowledge score was 60% were people having very good knowledge of handling the aggressive person, and 40% were having good knowledge. In section 3, knowledge score on the level of knowledge handling of aggressive person among family members. So the total knowledge score, mean average is 9.70, median 11, and standard deviation was 1.72. In section 4, family findings related to association of knowledge score with the selected demographic variables. So I have conducted a chi-square test, and the value that there was a significant association between knowledge score with demographic variables like education, occupation, number of living children, place of living, and marital status. So with all these demographic variables, there is a significant association. And there was no significant association between age, gender, income per month, and types of family and religion. Limitations of the study. So the limitations are that the study is limited only to one area. Recommendations. So future research study can be done on larger sample for improving the generalizability of the findings to a large population, and comparative study can be done between the hospitalized patient family members and community people. So at last, I'm concluding my research study. So the present study assessed the level of knowledge regarding handling of aggressive person among the family members, and the result which shows that 60% had a very good knowledge of handling aggressive person and 40% had a good knowledge. So this was all about my research study. Thank you.